So we just checked in, you guys. Gonna give you a little bit of a room tour. We got upgraded to a suite. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we have just gone through security. For those that don't know, you can actually opt out of a couple things when you're traveling through security. Number one, always opt out of the body scanner. It's just not good for you. And then lastly, you can opt out of taking your picture.
Here with
Hello.
Gerald. He's been amazing escorting us to our room here at the Crockfords.
Yes.
And you originally from Hawaii,
Yes,
right?
so I'm from Hawaii. I moved here in 2021 after COVID. I used to work at Marriott Property and now at Hilton, one of the finest hotel, which is the Crockfords, established in 1828 in London. And there's three properties here, which is the Crockfords, Conrad, and Hilton. And yeah, I recommend visiting with us and trying our property. It's on one of the luxury properties, and it's Forbes rated as well.
Rich boy.
And I hope you guys enjoy your stay with us. Beautiful room.
Wow, thank you. Oh, it smells so good.
Yes.
Oh, and automatic
So,
curtains.
Size-wise, this is better than the standard, we call it superior room. And you have living room here as well, and there's king bed. And amenities are here. These are our main bars. It's per purchase, and
Okay.
here is complimentary. We have minibar fridge as well, and you do have separate fridge if you want to put in some drinks and you know. This is just what I trying to mention earlier.
Oh,
It's just
wow.
roll in shower. It's nothing much.
That's
different.
nice.
But
It looks great.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
definitely choose this.
So we just checked in, you guys. Gonna give you a little bit of a room tour. We got upgraded to a suite. It is absolutely beautiful. Let's go take a tour. So here we have the bathroom. You're gonna notice a lot of like gold finishes. I know in a lot of places they're saying like gold is going out, but I would say that again, it feels luxurious. It's beautiful. The powder room. So we have one. It was built in 2021. Here we have our mini bar. So this stuff is all complimentary. And then of course they have, you know, the items that you could buy. I'm curious to see how much those fuzzy peaches are. They got a fridge here, fully stocked. So this is our living room suite. Check out the views, you guys. I cannot wait to see this at nighttime. I'm actually afraid of heights, but I feel good in here. Beautiful little seating area. I love just, again, it just feels elegant. We got the long mirror here, which is amazing. And then we even got a chocolate bar. So excited, milk toffee crunch bar. So we got a TV here. Again, this is your living room area. It's the living room area. Now let me take you guys to the master suite. Here we have the master suite. You have a nice dresser, large TV, lounge area. I'm excited for this for my morning tea. I want to jump on the bed, but I'll wait. I feel like everybody wants to jump on the bed when they get into their hotel room. But I gotta show you guys what I'm most excited for. So come with me. Come check this out. Here is our master bathroom. I just love it. So what's super crazy is, you know, when you travel, a lot of the times you're like, you know what? I gotta pack my lotion, my shampoo, my conditioner, all of those things, staying in more luxurious places, they always provide it. So this is his sink. They actually have a dental kit. They got a shave kit, a little mouthwash. They have your body lotion, your hand wash. Comes with an in-room safe. This is what I'm excited for. A robe and some slippers. I actually wanted to pack my own slippers. So the fact that we have, like, I'm about to live in this. I know we're gonna wanna walk around, but this is where you're gonna find me. I love this closet. I actually wanna do an upgrade, but I'll wait till we move. Here you have an ironing board. And then this suite, we actually went with the ADA suite because it was available. So it's actually a walk-in shower versus a tub, which I'm totally okay with. And then here we have hers. So you got vanity lighting, you got a bench, a little stool if you want to do your makeup, and they have makeup remover towelettes. And then they have a manicure kit for the ladies. You got your blow dryer, extra towels, and yeah, this lighting is amazing. I am so excited to get some B-roll. That is our room tour.
Yep.
Okay, you guys, we are at the Crossroads Kitchen, Las Vegas. It is absolutely beautiful in here. Nice aesthetic, music's not too loud. Love the ambiance. We have heard great things about this restaurant. It is a vegan, plant-based restaurant. And I did hear that if you did not know it was plant-based, you wouldn't have known it was plant-based. Okay, so they have everything from appetizers, pizzas, house-made pastas. They have a large assortment drink menu. So they have wines, they have mocktails, beers. You can also get it by the bottle. They have a large assortment of wines and sodas for those that don't want alcoholic beverages. One thing I'll say as well in finer dining is when you make house-made pasta or eat house-made pasta, you don't get that like itis feeling after. You don't get tired after. You actually feel light. So I'm excited to check out the menu and see what I'm going to order. I decided to order the grilled lion's mane. It comes with truffle potatoes and mushrooms, and I got a kale and romaine Caesar salad.
Okay, I ordered the pepperoni pizza. You have to make a reservation. We made the reservation on Open Table. I'm excited to try this food. I'm excited to get a review for you guys. All right, so Rachel ordered this kale and romaine Caesar salad as a quick little appetizer to hold us over. She also got this, I drunk some of this, some kind of mocktail. It's like a cucumber mocktail. It tastes bomb. I think I'm gonna be making that at home with the juicer. Let's go ahead and try this romaine and kale Caesar salad.
Okay, so I got the lion's mane steak. It has come with a truffle potato and roasted garlic. It smells delicious. Like you can taste it.
All right, and I got the pepperoni pizza, and this thing smells amazing. I'm actually excited to share some of this with Rachel. So we're gonna dig in and try our food.
I don't know if I could do it.
You don't know if you could do it?
No.
All right, so we just made the trade. She's gonna try this pizza. It's extremely hot, so be careful.
Definitely fresh tomato sauce.
We're back in the room. We just had a great dinner. They do have a Randy's Donuts on site, so I was able to get this chocolate covered donut. Randy's Donut.